Today, we gather not only to reflect the state of the construction industry in Zimbabwe and the region, but more importantly, to engage in meaningful discussions that can pave the way for a more prosperous future for our nations, SADC nations. The Zimbabwe Building Contractors Association was established in 1985 as a non-profit organization dedicated to empowering emerging building contractors across various sectors. Our mission is crystal clear: to promote, empower, and capacitate our growing membership while advocating for equity, fairness, and justice within the construction sector. In line with the Sustainable Development Goals, we are committed to fostering partnerships that empower local contractors, drive economic growth, and enhance socio-economic fabric of our communities. Today, as we align ourselves with the country's ambition of becoming an empowered upper middle income state by 2030, we recognize that our role is very pivotal. The construction industry not only generates 25 to 30% of national employment, but is also a very key enabler in achieving National Development Strategy 1 targets. In recent years, we have made remarkable strides in the construction sector, and since 2018, over 7,000 projects have been implemented and more than 5,000 been officially commissioned. This is quite a great achievement that we have found ourselves as contractors participating in. Meaning to say, Honorable Vice President, we have actually capacitated us in a very big way, something that had taken much time, or in fact, since 1980, we had not probably gone to that level. We are quite happy with that direction. Significant improvement has also been made in our road infrastructure, with over 33,000 kilometers completed for road network. This achievement is particularly important as we aim to complete ongoing projects that continue to bolster our national infrastructure. Our collective target remains ambitious as we recognize the need for an extensive upgrading across all infrastructure projects to support urbanization, which is also projected that urbanization will triple by the year 2050. So we still have a long way to go as the built environment. Zimbabwe is currently constructing new dams since 2021. The government has announced that 10 billion was directed for the development of 10 major dams, which are part of the long-term plan that shall support the agricultural sector and harness water for industrial and domestic use. However, this has not yielded as much as the plan due to liquidity challenges. This, therefore, Honorable Vice President, is one of the key reasons why we have united the Zimbabwe Building Contractors Association and ZBCA private infrastructure projects. We are actually looking at a collaboration between Zimbabwe Building Contractors Association and ZBCA to collaborate, and this will see investors linking with us, being linked by ZBCA to us as local contractors in both public and private infrastructure projects. In the second quarter of 2025, Honorable Vice President, we are expecting investment to the tune of at least $100 million worth of projects being done by our members because of triple Ps or concessionary movements that can be looked at as alternatives for liquidity challenges. These strategic infrastructure investments are vital in fostering growth, job creation, and improved living standards of our people. This is cemented by the mantra of the Vision 2030 of fostering an upper middle income economy. Infrastructure development is slowly being standardized. Road infrastructure in the SADC region now follows SADC standards. And coming closer to home, 90% of ERP2 projects, which have again been successfully implemented by our local contractors, are conforming to SADC standards.